Hi guys! Welcome sa Zipline. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on sets, no? And sa previous video, pinag-usapan natin yung union ng sets. Dito pag-uusapan naman natin yung intersection ng dalawang sets, no? So the intersection of sets A and B is the set of elements that belong to A and B, no? So makikita nyo ang diagram dito, meron tayong A, this is a Venn diagram, meron tayong B, at yung intersection, no, ay yung parehong nasa A at saka nasa B, no? I think obvious naman from the diagram, no? So paano natin to i-illustrate, no? Halimbawa, meron tayong A. Suppose we have A which is the set 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we have the set B which is equal to 3, 4, 5. So ano yung A intersection B, no? So ang A intersection B, by the way, ay ang kanyang symbol ay yung parang cup na naka-inverse, no? Parang U na nakataob. So this is X such that X is an element of A, no? And X is an element of B. So yun yung kanyang set builder notation. X is an element of B. Yung union, di ba, or kanina, no? Naalala nyo yun? Yung union nakalagay or. So yun ang pagkakaiba nila. Okay? So ang intersection is yung aling elements ang meron silang dalawa. So na pareho. So A intersection B is anong common? Anong meron sila pareho? Merong 3, merong 4. So yun yung intersection. So it's another set. So therefore yung ating notation ay set pa rin. Siya ay may curly brackets and separated by a comma yung elements. So 3 and 4. Okay? Yan na yun, no? So this is another example. Now, for example 2, we have for example, we have set M na A, B, and C. Tapos set N, B, D, and E. Anong common nila? M intersection N. Anong common? Isa lang, no? B lang. Yun yung pareho nila, di ba? So this is the set with element B. Okay? Sample 3, we have a P is equal to ABC again. Tapos Q ay EF. Ano ang intersection ng P at saka Q? Meron ba? Meron bang common? Wala, di ba? So pag walang common, ang intersection niya ay empty set. Diba? Kasi sabi natin ay empty set ay ang lahat ng set, ang subset niya ay empty set, no? So therefore, ang intersection nila, wala silang intersection. Therefore, the only intersection is the empty set. Pwede rin natin i-denote as ganito, no? Yung yan, empty set na yan. Pwede rin yan. Okay? So pag ang intersection ng dalawang sets ay empty set, ang tawag natin dyan ay disjoint sets. So if A intersection B is the empty set, then A and B are disjoint sets. Okay? Paano naman yun? Ganito rin ba yung kanilang diagram? No? Kasi dito may intersection siya. So pag ang Venn diagram ng disjoint set ay magkahiwalay siya. Wala siyang intersection. This is A and this is B. Okay, so for example, ito pwede natin i-represent yung A, B, and C. So yung A, B, and C mo, yun yung elements mo dito. Tapos yung E at saka F mo nandito. So wala silang common. Therefore, they are called disjoint sets. Okay, so that's it. We will have some exercises siguro sa susunod combined yung union tsaka yung intersection. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, no? Share Zipnayan with your friends, and you can visit also our website, no, sa zipnayan.com. See you!